So keep solving our physics subject GRE. Okay, so 45. Okay, so 45 says that the circuit below consists of two elements. So basically capacitor, diode, and resistors. And what you need is when frequency is large, and you want V out close to V in, omega to 0, V out is 0. So this is the high pass filter. Okay, so the first one, V out just V in, and the second one, V out just V in, and C V out just V in. So these three are stupid choice. So the answer must be D or E, and this is just test your electronics common sense. When omega is large, the capacitance looks like short. When omega is 0, the capacitance looks like open. So when omega is close to 0, close to infinity, then this is short. So that means V in will separate all its energy, separate all its voltage on the circuit. So this is 0. So D is not what we want. So the answer is E. Okay, so 36 is basically asking about the Faraday's law. So you have an important formula I suggest that you must be remember. This is this. So this is the magnetic flux. Basically, this magnetic flux is B times A, and in your case, when you do a rotation, the area change. I should say that the phi B is not just B times A, but B dot A. So in your case, you have BA cosine omega t. So we have BA omega sine omega t. Okay, and then somebody say that the epsilon, somebody say this is epsilon times sine omega t. So this is epsilon. And ask you about what is the angular speed. Sorry, so the angular speed epsilon divided by BA omega, which A is just pi r squared. Okay, so this is okay. So this is answer epsilon over B pi r squared. Epsilon over B pi r squared. Okay, so 37. Basically, you can read the question by yourself, but basically it's exactly the same as the Faraday's law. You just calculate the magnetic flux difference. So your original is 0, and the final is just n times B times pi r squared. So this is the area, and this is the flux. So epsilon just dB over dt, which is just this one. Okay, so the answer is C. Also, okay, I think it's enough today, and I will see you guys in the next video.